In this video, we're going to verify that your pixel is indeed on your website outside of using the native tool. So just making sure we are set. So right now we're in Events Manager. So you're in your business settings, Events Manager. I want you to get Pixel Helper. Click here. And then I want you to install the extension so we can verify that it is indeed there. So we're going to come to our website. Here's our extension here. No pixel has been found, so we're going to refresh. There we go. There is the code. And then if we come back over here, we're matching up with our dataset ID. So that's how you verify that your pixel is indeed working on your website.